swear, man, I swear to God, I'm an African greatest. I'm a whoa, African greatest of all time. I'm a greatest of all time, man. Easy, man. So they call me Hamish, but a lot of people call me 25 bacteria. Let's get started, man. So first and foremost, you FaceTime, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share to a lot of people. Let's go to the first question. Second question. Give me the following linear series. So now you don't know your series whether it's arithmetic or geometric. So you're gonna have to test, okay? So I can identify whether arithmetic or geometric, and then you can start apply formula. So I'm gonna say okay. So let me just do here. So I'm gonna say got 3. Let me use a pen. So it's me. So I got 3, 7, and then 11, and then means there's a okay. So this is term 1, this second term, this third term. We don't know fourth term. We don't know the next one. We don't know, but we certain point. Tn means term at a certain position, which we don't know which that term. He give us 4, 8, 3. So term 1 equal to 3, term 2. Oh, so we have a Tn. And what we're looking for, how many terms? Oh, so they look for this term, how many terms that the series have. So in other words, we want to get what is this n, because n is the last number. In term 1, term 2, term 3, and this can be, let's say, term 20 or term 30. 1030 equal to 483. I'm just assuming, you know what I'm saying? Or 1050 or 10, we don't know. So now we look for which this n is, that number 10. Okay, so first and foremost, I have to identify whether geometric, arithmetic, and then from there, I'm going to go. So let me test first. It look like arithmetic. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Oh, so it has the common difference. So for that case, this is arithmetic series or sequence. So my common difference equals to 4. So now I want to get n. So I'm going to use this as a tool. I'm going to apply my formula for arithmetic. So I'm going to say, okay, Tn equal to a plus common difference n minus 1. Or you can put common difference after. Either way, some books or some people they write like this, however you want. Okay, Tn we have already. Tn equal to 4. Okay, let me just write here. So our Tn equal to 483 equal to a. A is the first term, which equal to 3. And then we plus our n. N, oh, we don't know that n that you're looking for. N minus 1 times common difference. Our common difference equal to 4. Ha. So now let's find the n, and that's what we're looking for. So now I'm going to say this is going to come over 483. This will come from minus 483. Minus 3 equal to 480. So this 3 is going to go over. It's going to become 483. Minus this 3 is going to be 480. Equal to n minus 4 times 4. So either you can multiply that out, or you can just divide by 4 throughout. Because whenever you have a bracket, assume it's a one number. You know what I'm saying? So me, I'm going to assume this is one number. So divide by 4 and then divide by 4. So this and this go because it's in a bracket. Only if it's in a bracket. Or if you don't want to do that. Okay, so how many 4 in 4? 1. How many 4 in 80? 2. How many 4 in 0? 0. Now equal. Now here is n minus 4. Oh, so this 4 go over. So 120, and when it go over, its minus is going to become plus. So 124 equal to n. Oh, I got it. So now when this is term 124, is give us 483. So according to the question, how many terms that this series have? Is 120. Oh, I made a mistake. My policy. Now it's not 124, man. Come on, man. I made a mistake. Excuse me. This minus 1. How did I get 24? Minus 1. So this is gonna be n minus 1. Come over, so it's gonna be 121. So this is gonna be 121. Okay. So let me show another way here. That's just in case if you don't want to divide by 4. So I could have done like this. So it's n minus 1, but n minus 1. So, and then times common difference equal to 4. So I could have multiplied in. So 4 come over, it's going to be 483 minus 3 equal to 480 equal to n multiply. So n minus 1 comes 4. So I was gonna multiply that 4 in. So this, okay, so this is gonna be 480 equal to 4 times n, 4n. 4 times negative 1, negative 4. So take this 4 over. So it's gonna give us 484. 484. So that was gonna give us 484. So 484. This stuff is finishing, man. Come on, man. Don't finish, man. We got a long way to go. 484 equal to 4n, because this 4 go over, equal to 4n. So divided by 4 and divide by 4. This and this cancel. So n equal, how many 4 in 4? 1. Let me see. I think I made a mistake. When you take this one over, it's 480, and then this multiply is going to be 4n, and this multiply negative 4. Negative 4 come over, it's going to plus 484 divided by 4 divided by 4. Yes. So now we go, how many 4 in 4? 1. How many 4 in 80? 2. How many 4 in 4? 1. Oh, so n equal to 121. So I think I made a mistake for the first one, right? Okay, so this is correct. N equal to 121. Let me check the first one again. I can't remember how did I get it, but okay, so it was here. So it's 141, that's our answer. So our n equal to 141. I want to check again for the first one because I can't remember. Okay, so we divide by 4 throughout. And then by 4, how many 4 in 4? 1. How many 4 in 80? How many 4 in 80? 2. How many 4 in 0? 0. So here we have n minus 1 because by 4 by 4. And this by 4. So now take over, it's going to be 121 equal to n. Oh, so n equal to 121. Now you go back to the question. They say, what did they say here? How many terms? So 121. So 10, 121 equal to that. We got it. Now let's go for the second one. So I'm going to raise these to get a space. So we know our n. Our n equal to 121. Okay, let's make a space. Easy, man. Let's make a space. Quick. Let's go quick, man. Okay, cool. Okay, so now they say write the above series in sigma notation. So that's how you write your sigma notation, brother and sister. So sigma notation, look, whenever you write your sigma, like whenever there's a sigma, here inside is where you write your Tn, is 10n. Whereby, remember, term start from the first term, means T, term 1. So this is going to say our n always start from the first one. And then for this case, where do we start? N, right n here, because you don't know. Even though you know it's 121, but right n. So basically here you write Tn, but we know Tn for this time is arithmetic. So we know. So I want to replace this Tn, I know my Tn. My Tn equal to A plus D n minus 1. So what you do, you replace everything except n. Replace everything except n. So our Tn, A means I want to come and replace there. What is that? A equal to 3, first term, plus D, common difference equal to 4. N, don't replace n, minus 1, even though we know n. Okay, so what you do, simplify. So this Tn equal to, now this is going to be 3 plus 4 times n is 4n. And then 4 times negative 4 is negative 4. So this is going to give us 4n is positive. 3 minus 4, negative 1. Oh, so our Tn is there. So what that means, I'm going to replace this Tn here with this. Okay, so finally, my sigma notation, whereby n start from 1 to n, because whenever I write sigma, don't replace this n. And here, instead of writing n, I write for n minus 1. You know what I'm saying? So that's our answer. So even if it's geometric, you do the same thing. Replace everything except n. So that's our sigma notation. Now let's go for 2.2. So I'm gonna raise this one on top because I need to have a space here. Okay. Okay, cool. .2. Okay, cool. So man, I don't want to raise that stuff. I just want to focus on that. That's what we need. Okay, let me just dry a little bit because I use a wet cloth, so I need to dry. Oh, my hand just went off. Come on, man. Come back here, baby. Just went off. Ooh, please. Please don't get out of my head, man. Just chill there, man. Just hold me stuff here. Okay, cool. I think I'm ready to go. We're ready to go. It's dry now. It's kind of dry, so I use tissue and then I dry. Use wet cloth. Okay, cool. Now let's go. So now for the second one, I say they have told you already. This is arithmetic. So let's say this and this are 10. So this is 10, 10. This is 10, 10. Let me write here. This is 10, 10. And this is 10, 11. And this is 10, 10, 11, 12. 10, 12. But they're giving term of t. And they have told you already it's arithmetic. Oh, so now I know if I'm going to take 10, 11 minus 10, 10, it must be equal to 10, 12 minus 10, 11. Oh, I know. So that's easy. So I'm going to say if it is arithmetic, means to get common difference, meaning take this minus this, it must be equal to this minus this. That's how I'm going to get t. So I'm going to say 10, 2. Or you can say here 10, 10 minus, no, 10, 11 next, always next minus previous. 10, 10 equal to 10, 12 minus 10, 11. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to say t minus 3 minus 2t minus 4 must be equal to 8 minus 2t minus 3 minus t minus 3. Oh, so what we're going to do now? Just multiply that out and get the value of t. That's all. So I'll say, okay, this is going to be negative t. So I'm going to have a t minus 3, and this is going to be negative 2t. This is going to be plus 4 because negative and negative equal to 8t minus 2t, negative t, negative, negative, plus 3. So put the t together. Okay, this is t minus this minus 2. T minus 2t, negative t. Take this negative 2t, come over. So, because take all the t together. Or I can also, for t, okay, for t, negative t, I think I forgot. So this negative t and this negative 3t, negative 3t come over. It's going to be positive 3t. So this must be positive 3t, not 2t. Okay, that one, I don't know what happened to me today, man. I feel like I'm kind of, let's go, man. Easy, man. Plus and minus, I kind of forgot. So this is going to give us 2t. So divided by 2 and divided by 2, this and this cancel. So equals 5. So I'm sorry, apologize for that. Sometime, it happened. Okay, cool. Now we go. So we got t equal to 5. So since I know my t equal to 5, determine the value of t. I got it. T equal to 5. T equal to 5. Now, how about the value of phase 10? Value of the phase 10. So what is the phase 10? Phase 10 is 2t minus 4. So I'm going to put here 5. 2 times 5 equal to 10. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Oh, so my phase 10 equal to 6. So I'll say determine the phase 10. So 10 1 equal to t minus 4. So 2, what is our t? T equal to 5 minus 4, which equal to 6. Okay, now, oh, we're done with it. So we go 2.3. 2.3. Yeah, we don't need this. I want to be careful here. I don't waste something that I need. Okay, cool. Just wrap a little bit. Now we go. The following information of a geometric. Oh, so we know already geometry. Determine the numerical value of the phase 3 times. So they give us here T1. Oh, so T1 I know. T1 means A. So my A plus, if it's geometric, T2. What does that mean? So I know geometric, Tn equal to A ada n minus 1. So if this is T2, means this is going to be T2 A ada 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So A ada. Oh, so meaning I'm going to say A plus A ada equal to negative 1. Let me call this first equation. I'll do the same thing here. So this term 3 is going to be what it's going to be? Term 3 equal to a out of 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So a out of 2. Oh, so this is going to be a out of 2 for here plus a out of 3. Do the same game. A out of 3 equal to negative 4. Let me call this second equation. So what I'm going to do here, most of the time when they give you like 2 questions geometric, always divide them. This is like that. Divide them. Take one, divide the other one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I always take the bigger number. So I'll start with this one. So I'll say a r square plus a r cube equal to negative 4 divided by a plus a r equal to negative 1. But first and foremost, let me simplify them. I got a common number. A r square can go out on top. A r square go out because it's common. 1 plus r here equal to negative 4. And here I can take a out. So I'll be left with 1 plus r equal to negative 1. So these and these common, they cancel. And a cancel. So r square equal to negative 4 divided by negative 1 equal to positive 4. So square root and square root. So r equal to plus or minus 2. Whenever you square, you get plus or minus. Because if you take negative 2 times negative 2 equal to positive 4. Even positive 2 times positive equal to 4. That's you get plus or minus. Now, what do they want? They say can go the numerical value of the first 3 terms. Oh. So I know if let's say I want to get a first term, means this, and that. So this is a. I don't have an a, I don't know a. Oh. So let me get, because if, for example, if I want to get term 2, I must have a and r. This term 2, a and r. So we need to get a and r for us to work it out. But here, in equation, if you look carefully, they say whereby r is greater than 0. So I'm not going to take the one which is the less. I'll say r is only positive 2 because r is greater than 0. I'm not going to take, then r is not going to be not equal. This means not equal count. Not equal to negative 2 for this case. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to take only r equal to positive 2. So now I want to get the value of a. So I can either substitute in the first question or second. But me, I'm going to take it the easy one. You know, I don't like trouble. So I'll use this one. So second a plus a r. A, what is my r? R equal to 2 equal to negative 1. So let me calculate the value of a. It's easy. Means this is 2a. 2a plus a equal to 3a. So it's going to give a 3. A equal to negative 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. Oh, our a equal to negative 1 over 3. So our r equal to 2 and our a equal to negative 1 over 3. Now they say calculate the first 3 terms. Okay, so T1 will not equal to a. T1 always means first term meaning a. So our a equal to negative 1 over 3. Term 2, we know term 2, look, Tn equal to a r. Okay, so this is going to be Tn equal to a. So term 2 means it's going to be 2, and this is going to be a r n minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So a, what is the a? Our a equal to negative 1 over 3. And now r, what is the r? R equal to 2. Just so you multiply, you get negative 2 over 3. Now we go for term 3. So you do the same thing. So for term 3, do the same thing, and then you should be able to get our term 3 equal to negative 4 over 3. Oh, I can just show you here. Term 3 means a. So a, what is a? A equal to or equal to negative 1 over 3. And then r equal to 2. And now you go 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So this is going to give us negative, this is 4 times negative 1, negative 4 over 3. Negative 4 over 3. Okay, those are first 3 terms. Now we go. Determine the numerical value. Oh, that's what you did with. Now we go for the last one, okay? We go for the last question. Determine the numerical value of the we got. Okay, so I'm going to raise to have a space here. Now we go for the last one. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Now let's go for the last one. So the last one, they say the following list of the number, so is quadratic sequence. Here they say quadratic sequence, so, oh, man, it's very wet, okay. So since it's quadratic sequence, now we go, oh, so I can just start it. So 41, even if they don't tell me, I could have identified. So this is 41, we got 43, and then we got 47, and the next one 53, and then we go 61, 61, and then go to the next one 71, and then the next one is 83, and the next one 97, and then 113, and there we go for, it can be 113 and then 131. So now if I don't know, I could have to test it, but I know this cannot be geometric, because if I take next divided by the previous, it cannot give me the same number. But there's a possibility it could be arithmetic. So I say 43 minus 41 equal to 2. This and this is going to be 4. This minus that is going to be equal to 6. This minus this is equal to 8, and that minus is going to be equal to 10, and that minus is going to give us equal to 12, and that minus is going to give us equal to 14. And this minus 13 minus 7 equals 6, and then 1, and that minus, okay, 1 minus 3, 11 minus 3 equal to 80, and then, okay, now 2 minus 1 equal to 1, yeah, 18. So now look, this is not arithmetic, but I think it could be quadratic sequence, because if I find the common difference, second difference, it's going to give me 2, and this is 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 going to give me 2. Oh, so this is quadratic sequence. So my common difference, second common difference equal to 2. So for quadratic sequence, I know I got 3 formulas. The first one is 2a equal to d. The second one 3a plus b equal to term 1. You know what I'm saying? So the second one we say a plus b, 3a plus b equal to this one here. Okay? You know what I'm saying? Equal to this term means this, minus this means equal to this one, means term 1 minus term 2. Equal to term 1 minus term 2. And the last one is a plus b plus c equal to this one, term 1. You memorize this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Equal to term 1, which is 41. And this equal to 2 here. Okay, cool. Now let's go. So we can substitute this stuff. So now, so I'm going to say now common different things. So let me start with the first. So you memorize this. Okay? So 2a, so d have, so 2a equal to d. 2a, my d I have second common difference equal to 2a equal to, so what a equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. A equal to 1. Now go for the second formula. 3a plus b equal to this number that you get here. That's what say t, 2 minus 1. Okay. Now 3. We know a equal to 1 plus b equal to 2. So this is 3 go over b equal to 1. Our b also equal to 1 or negative 1? Negative 1. Because this one go over is going to be negative. So 2 minus 3 equal to negative 1. Now we go for the last formula. 3a. A plus b plus c. So a we have, means I use this one. A equal to 1 and b equal to negative 1. So minus 1. And then plus c equal to this number here, equal to 41. This and this is 0, so c equal to 41. You know what I'm saying? So since you got c equal to 41, so you need to write in quadratic formula. This also you have to remember. This is the key formula. Tn equal to a, n squared plus n plus c. So now I have my a, b, c, so I can plug it in. So I'll say, okay, tn equal to a. What is my a? A equal to 1 n squared. So it's n squared. Okay. B equal to negative 1. So negative n. C equal to 41. So now when they say determine the general term for above sequence, this is our general term. Okay. Now calculate the T41. T41, easy, man. So T41, calculate first T41, and then show that it is not a prime number. Okay, so T41 means I'm going to put 41 here. So T41 equal to 41 square minus 41 and then plus 41, and then plug that in the calculator. If you plug in the calculator, let me take a calculator quick, and then this is going to give us, plug in the calculator. Okay. Okay, so plug in the calculator, you're gonna get it 16081. It's 10 for the 1. Now they still say show that is not a prime number. What is a prime number? A prime number is the number which only divides by itself and 1. For example, 3, 7, 3, 5, 7, 9. No, because 9 can be divisible by 3. So now to show this is the prime number means we have to show if there is any number divisible by this. If we cannot prove that, means it could be prime. For what is prime number? Prime number is this number. Let's say 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. No, go 11, then 13, and 7. These are numbers which cannot be divisible by any number, only for itself and 1. So now they say show that it's not prime number. In other way means this number can be divisible by certain number. Okay, now let's think which number can be divisible by 1 can be. This number can be divisible by 1, and another number thinks by 41 if I'm not mistaken. 1681 divided by 41. Oh yeah, is 41 also. Is divided by 41. So you say 1. So you could say 1 41, and the number itself, which is 1681. These are factors of that number. These are factors of 1681. So for that case, is not prime number. So then it's not prime number. Then it's not prime number. Easy, man, and that's how we do. I'm a God. African greatest of all time. If you FaceTime, make sure you join and share with a lot of people, man. They call me Hamish, and subscribe to our channel, share to our lot of people. Peace and love. I'm Sub-Saharan native. Time to get distinction. Easy, man. Easy, man.